Finding the right CarPlay AI box isn't always easy, especially if you want fast performance, reliable connectivity, and smart features. While many AI boxes promise a lot, not all of them deliver the smooth experience you expect in real-world use. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 best CarPlay AI boxes, carefully selected based on performance, features, compatibility, and overall value for money, so you can choose the perfect one for your car. Make sure you watch till the end to discover which CarPlay AI box is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. Item number 5, CarlinKit TBox Plus. If you want to turn your factory CarPlay into a true Android-powered smart system, the CarlinKit TBox Plus is a fantastic choice. It runs on Android 13 and a powerful Qualcomm 8-core processor, delivering a fast and smooth experience for everyday use. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect effortlessly, while built-in 4G, GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth keep you connected on every drive. You can download your favorite apps from the Google Play Store, enjoy YouTube and Netflix, and even use split screen for navigation and entertainment at the same time. With SIM and TF card support for added flexibility, the CarlinKit TBox Plus offers a premium in-car experience that makes every journey smarter, easier, and more enjoyable. Item number 4, MMB Max 5.0 Smart Box. The first thing that grabs attention is the flagship-level hardware packed into this compact AI box. Powered by Android 13 and the Qualcomm QCM6225 8-core processor, the MMB Max 5.0 delivers a fast and fluid driving experience. Its generous 8GB RAM and 128GB storage keep apps, navigation, and entertainment running effortlessly. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect automatically, while built-in 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0 ensure reliable connectivity everywhere. Split screen mode lets you navigate and enjoy media at the same time, and support for up to a 256GB TF card gives you even more room for your content. The MMB Max 5.0 is a premium upgrade that brings power, convenience, and smart features together. Item number 3, CarlinKit TBox Ultra 2 5G. This feels built for drivers who want the latest technology without compromise. Powered by Android 15 and the Qualcomm SM6350 8-core processor, the CarlinKit TBox Ultra 2 delivers a fast, responsive, and premium in-car experience. With 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, apps launch quickly and multitasking stays smooth. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect effortlessly, while built-in 5G, 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, and advanced GPS keep you connected wherever you go. Split screen mode, Google Play Store access, and support for up to 512GB TF card expansion give you endless entertainment and flexibility. The CarlinKit TBox Ultra 2 is a powerful upgrade that truly brings your car's infotainment system to the next level. Item number 2, AutoCast i3 CarPlay AI Box. What makes this stand out is how easily it turns your car into a complete smart entertainment hub. You immediately notice the smooth Android 13 experience, giving you quick access to YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, and the Play Store right from the dashboard. Switching between wireless CarPlay and AutoDrive OS feels seamless, while the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage keep everything fast and responsive. The refreshed interface, adjustable ambient lighting, FOTA updates, and headrest screen projection add an even more premium touch. For BMW iDrive 6, 7, 8, 9, and other supported models, this is a smart upgrade that brings convenience, entertainment, and a modern driving experience together. Item number 1, CarlinKit TBox Ultra 5G. This looks like the kind of upgrade that instantly makes your car feel smarter. The Android 15 system, powered by the Qualcomm SM6350 chip, keeps everything fast and smooth, while 8GB RAM and 128GB storage give you plenty of space for apps like YouTube, Netflix, and IPTV. The built-in 5G connection and accurate GPS make every drive feel more connected, and switching between CarPlay and Android Auto is seamless. Expandable storage up to 512GB adds even more flexibility for entertainment on the road. It clearly leans toward drivers who want premium performance and modern convenience in one compact device. This is a complete in-car smart upgrade with confidence built in. Which of these CarPlay AI box adapter is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description, Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.